Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. I hope you all are doing great. And before we begin our reading, I request all of you to please do like and subscribe my channel and do share my videos also. Thank you so much for doing that, Cancerians. So let's begin our reading for the month of December 2020. Yeah. Here I have your cards ready with me, and let's see what the cards are saying about you. Okay. So first card I have is Eight of Swords, and I have High Priest. Then we have Fool card also. Yeah. So these two are major arcana cards, and so yeah. To begin with the reading, Cancerians, what I'm feeling here is, no, these cards are sensing that. You have been binding, you are binding yourself. No, there are possibilities available for you which you are not able to no, you are not able to pursue them. And mostly this is because of your inner conflicts sometimes, and also because you are not able to see beyond your boundaries. You have formed boundaries around you, and you are not able to cross those boundaries, or you're probably not able to see these boundaries also. So what is required here is, with the high priest in this reading, I would suggest listen to your intuition, Cancerians. There is something guiding you inside. Listen to yourself. There is something guiding you inside very strongly. What do you need to do? Actually, this is more specifically about your career, about your finance thing. Okay, so these things, you need to be. No, you have to open up. You are being depending on someone's advice, or you are actually not helping yourself, Cancerians. You are not no you have blocked your vision. In fact, yeah, that would be the right thing to say. You have blocked your vision. Otherwise, so this is very important with high priest. This month you are going to, you have the power, to listen to your voice, listen to your intuition, which is going to guide you in a very proper way. You see, because I have the Fool card also. Again, this Fool card is again saying that yes, when you try to open up yourself, and you try to look for the answers within yourself also, don't think about all these boundaries and all. No, there is actually there is a longer way ahead. Okay, and with this Fool card, I can see, I am sensing that yeah, you are going to have a no, once you start believing yourself, once you start trusting your inner voice also, you are definitely guided towards success. Yeah, one, this is a very strong feeling which I am getting here with this Fool card. Okay, and also that you will feel much relieved. All these days probably you were confused, and you were not happy, or you were not sure what you are doing also. So this time, this month is something, this high priest is giving us this power, this giving us this vision to understand what is going wrong, what is happening. So very importantly, it is up to you now. So you have to take the lead, and you have to listen to yourself first. What is that you are looking forward to, and follow this inner voice, Cancerians. And when you are doing so, definitely I'm seeing paths opening for you, opportunities coming your way, and even there are opportunities there. There are chances that you may be getting new opportunities in your career as well, new business prospects coming your way. So these things what I am seeing here, Cancerians. And when it comes to your, let me see your emotional side also, your love front, love side also. So there again I'm seeing, you see, there again I'm seeing that page of air, and there no lack of understanding because of the communication gap again. So yeah, because you are there are truth, the things are before you, but you are not ready to accept it actually. So this is acceptance is again required, even on the emotional side. Cancerians, there I also again have Archangel Michael card with me uh, for you this month. This is very important. This is a very strong card. And this card says that there is going to be a positive change coming in your life again. When you know, when you start looking for possibilities, when you start looking for, unless and until you don't take a step forward, these things, you know, these things are actually waiting for you. So take the step forward and embrace these opportunities coming your way. So you find that yes, suddenly there will be a change in the situation, suddenly there will be a change. In fact, you know, a lot of emotional healing will also happen, and at the same time you will also see relationships doing good. If you are in a love relationship, definitely you see you will definitely find a positive change again, and upheaval in love, again in this month. Yeah, so this is card is bringing you actually fortune this month. And then I also have nine of air. So where there is no, the this card is again telling me ki, yeah, there are possibilities of some kind of conflicts, some kind of emotional conflicts happening with yourself again, not with someone else, but yeah, you are, you know, you are creating the this kind of miscommunication, or you are also misinterpreting the situations, and you are also, no, a lot of things happening because you are vision is blocked here. So you are not able to understand the things properly. So whatever the positivity is available, even that is turning into negative. You are not able to see that happening here. So because of this, you know, because of less self confidence, low self confidence, this is might be the chances happening. So dear Cancerians, this is all up to you now, how you are going to embrace the opportunities, how you are going to no and improve on your vision also. So because the energy card here is directing me clearly, yes, blossoming abundance. Yeah, abundance is waiting for you. So there are much chances of you of either an increment or in your pay, or business doing well. Yeah, so business prospects or some kind of opportunities are coming your way. So yes, Cancerians, there are possibilities. There is abundance waiting for you. As I said, it is now up to you, that you have to take that first step, and only then this will walk to you. Yeah, so this is what I want to say you Cancerians today. I hope this is quite clear to you. And then I have an angelic guidance card for you, focus service. Let me read this message from the angels for you, Cancerians. This is such a lovely message here. Focus on service, and the message is your soul desires only to joyfully serve and to swim in a constant stream of bliss. This stream continuously feeds you everything you need. Put your entire focus upon staying in the stream of giving and receiving in every situation, in all, I'm sorry, and in all that you do. Yeah. So this card, there is a message again with the from the angels, where they are saying that you just have to constant, there is a stream of bliss. So this feeds you everything that you need. So you just have to focus on it. You will be, getting whatever you want, whatever you want to do, whatever you are seeking for, the answers that you're seeking for, the opportunities that you're seeking for, you just have to focus on it. Yeah, you just have to expand your vision and focus on it. Believe in yourself first, that is very important. So yes, there is a stream of bliss which is coming your way from the angels. Such a lovely message here, Cancerians. Okay, so with this, I wind up my reading, dear Cancerians. I'll see you again next month. Until then, I really wish you good luck. Okay, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.